Aloha and a warm welcome from the 5 to 4s with Doña and Patrick. And today we go further steps from our last tutorial where we showed you chord melody and special keys to use in between our typical Andalusian cadence, which Patrick shows us in a few seconds. And I did accompany Patrick with a special scale. So this is what I explained to you today to improvise to that part what Patrick shows us in a few seconds, and you can practice because it's a preparation for our upcoming Spanish ukulele style workshop, which we do in Spanish, not in Spanish, in English and in German. And so we do it on different days so that we dive deeper into Spanish techniques like strumming, finger picking, how the Andalusian cadence works, and the harmonic minor scale, and how you make the sound more in the Spanish melody. So I stop talking. Please, Patrick, show us what you did last week. Repeat the keys and the cadence again and play like a minute or two so that our students can improvise later with the scale I show up next. It's your turn.
So, good morning guys, this is Patrick again. So, we're talking again today about these chords, D minor, B flat, C major and A7. So, and I just prepared the whole rhythm for you, just for you to improvise. Yeah, I played around a minute, so you have enough time to check the single tones. Yeah. So, and if you have the D minor, so it's pretty close to use the following tones. So in the B flat, you can use the same tones. C. Same tones if you want. So you can use also the G, F, and the E string, and to go over to your A7 chord, and you can end, for example, here. So this is the A7 in the third scale. So just an example for this. So I'm a bit in a hurry today, so have fun guys. See you.
Thank you, Patrick, and hurry up. I know you are busy today like me. So we go ahead and I show you what I did during Patrick was playing in the last tutorial. It is the typical harmonic minor scale. We already learned that the classical harmonic minor scale works like the root, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. The harmonic minor scale has a flattened key, and this makes the typical spice that it is sounds more oriental or Spanish, which is often used in the flamenco music. You can switch it to the harmonic minor scale. The fifth is the typical dominant, frequent dominant scale, and this is exact the harmonic minor scale, but it is too complicated. Now we stay with the harmonic minor scale. If you want to know further things, then join our workshop, which we do in English and also in German, to dive deeper into the Spanish things. And I also write a book with some nice sweet pieces you can study and learn and play to get more familiar with that sound. So I stop talking, like I repeat. I told you the classical minor scale is root, note, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. The difference with the harmonic minor scale is the last two tones. It's a 1.5 tone and a semitone step. So I show you with the D minor, harmonic minor scale in this case. We start regular with D, E, F, G, B, B, A, B, B, then C sharp, D. I repeat, D, E, F, G, A, B, B, C sharp, and D. And you can go further steps and use the last or the first string, E, F, G, A, B, B, C sharp, D. So like you realized, it sounds a little bit spicy, and Spanish are moody oriental. So practice this slowly, and as soon as you're familiarized with it, then go ahead, loop the part from Patrick and start improvising with it, with this beautiful scale. And like I said, if you want to dive deeper into Spanish things, Spanish ukulele style, book our workshop, which will be in December in English or German. Have fun, love you, see you soon. Like us, share us, and give us sweet comments. Love you.